Robotics may be coming sooner rather than later, and that is due to some crazy advancements when it comes to physical AI. So NVIDIA released this model called Cosmos Reason, and this is actually to help AI understand the laws of physics or the physical world. Because yes, AI is very good and it could probably beat you at a chess game, but it does not understand, for example, that birds cannot fly backwards. And people really lack this to grasp this understanding that it doesn't genuinely understand the laws of physics. So when you want to introduce robotics, especially those in the form that will interact with the physical world, especially, in critical scenarios like self-driving cars, like a human, it must be aware of the laws of physics and its surroundings. So NVIDIA have this thing called the Data Factory. And what it is that they've brought experts from a variety of backgrounds from all around the world. And these experts went ahead and produced test cases in the form of videos. And these videos are presented to this AI model called Cosmos Reason. And it needs to show its thought process, its reasoning as to why it determines, the following is happening in the video if a car is turning left, for example. However, the crazy part here is that it's able then, from its understanding, we get to see the thought process of if we give it a hypothetical scenario. So if the video showed two cars driving towards each other, the model should be able to predict that that's going to be a crash, and we're able to see its thought process. Robots need to understand that they cannot, for example, go through walls. They cannot just drive anywhere as they please or crash into other cars, for example. And this is critical because we're talking about a lot of vendors are talking about robotics in warehouses. Again, the self-driving cars example. These are crucial. And now that this breakthrough is not just to make AI more intelligent, but you're giving it now a fundamental understanding of reality. And now it's also open source, so anyone can use it.